In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Bluetooth keyboard to Samsung tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and use Bluetooth peripherals on your Samsung Galaxy tablet. This will work for any model. So in this example picture here, I have the S9 FE. However, it will work with any other S-line tablet or even A-line tablets. As long as you can use Bluetooth, this can be easily achievable. So this will work for any peripheral that has Bluetooth connectivity. So to start, you will have to enable Bluetooth on the Samsung Galaxy tablet. To do this, go into the settings, and on the first category, connections, you will be able to find the options. So you will have Wi-Fi and then Bluetooth. Just make sure that it is enabled, so it has to be set to on. With this done, it is now time to set your peripherals, in this specific video, the keyboard, into pairing mode. This will differ for every single manufacturer, every single brand, and every single model. In this example keyboard here from Logitech, you can set them into pairing mode by pressing one of these buttons according to the device that you want to use it on. So you set them into pairing mode, and this will now make it discoverable by other devices. So whenever you see some sort of indicator like an LED flashing or whatever it is on your specific model, it is going to tell you that pairing mode has been enabled, and you will now find it under the list of available devices. As I mentioned earlier, you can do the exact same thing with other devices that support Bluetooth, such as a mouse, set of earbuds, a headset, and so on. So you press a specific button or a combination of buttons on that Bluetooth keyboard, Bluetooth mouse, Bluetooth peripheral, and as long as Bluetooth is enabled on the Galaxy tablet, they are going to appear on the list of available devices. If they don't appear right away, then you can restart Bluetooth on your Galaxy tablet and make sure that there are no other devices trying to connect to those peripherals around the room. So if you have a laptop, a PC, or even a TV, make sure that they are turned off just for the time being so you can establish this connection. And after it is connected, they will remain connected forever as long as they are sufficiently charged. They should connect automatically in the future as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth keyboard to Samsung tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.